I'm Mandy with SparkleBerry Swag, and today I'm going to be doing a how-to video on how to use our printable heat transfer vinyl. This vinyl is awesome. It's great, but it can be a little confusing at first whenever you get started because it's different than solid HTV that you just get in the store. This is absolutely beautiful. It prints beautifully, and I got a lot of questions about cut settings and how to transfer it to the transfer mask. So that's another thing we're going to be talking about today. This is the transfer mask that I include with each of my orders. And I buy it off the roll because you cannot get it in a store. Right now, I'm just cutting a sheet, putting it in every order, and it's reusable, which is great. So we're going to go over that on how to apply that and hopefully answer those questions that you have. It's a really great HTV, and I am confident that once you get the hang of it, you are going to love it. It is absolutely my favorite heat transfer material. So you guys stick around and let's show you how to use it. Okay, so I am using right now my Cricut Air, and as you can see, I've placed my pattern onto my mat, and you can tell I'm placing the pattern right side up. So on the back, this is what it looks like. On the top, okay, this is different than other heat transfer vinyls where you would reverse cut or mirror cut. With this vinyl, you do not do any of that. You're gonna cut it just like you would any solid colored vinyl. Now, as for settings, I'm a little embarrassed to tell you what my settings are right now because I'm really bad about getting new blades. I will tell you this, my settings are about 4 notches up from what I would do like a regular Oracal 651. So it takes a lot. It takes a pretty deep cut. So, but what I recommend is just start in the corner and do a little test cut, maybe a little circle or square over here, just to make sure that you're deep enough so that you don't ruin your vinyl before you really even get started. And you can just lift up the, lift it off the liner to make sure that you are cutting. Okay, so we're pretty much ready to get started. I'm gonna cut it real quick so that you can see how the next step will go. Okay, so we have cut now. So the next step is going to be to take it off of our mat. And one trick that I've actually learned is instead of peeling the vinyl off of the mat like this, if you will actually peel the mat off of the vinyl, it won't curl it. That's just a little handy dandy trick. All right, so then you find your little cut, and there it is. It's really easy to see once you look for it. And I'm gonna cut it out because I wanna save the rest of my vinyl for another cut. That way I can get the most out of my money, the most out of my vinyl, and everybody's happy. Okay, so now I have my cut. The next thing I'm going to do is, this may take just a minute or two. I've already separated it for you to see, but this is not sticky. The liner's not sticky, but it takes just a second to find the edge of it, and then when you do, you just pull it off, just like so. Okay, and then you're gonna weed it, just like you would weed any other vinyl. So here we go. I'm gonna weed it. And what I chose as my design today are my initials, so my monogram, which is MGM. All right, and all right, so now it is weeded. And so what you see is the heat transfer vinyl that's gonna go on my fabric, and you also see the liner. We need to get it off of that liner so that we can iron it or press it onto our fabric. So the next thing we're gonna do is get our transfer mask. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my transfer mask and I'm going to cut it in this shape of my little monogram. I'm gonna do that. You may not wanna do that because like I said, this is reusable, so you may not wanna cut it up, but I'm just gonna cut it in the shape real quick. My scissors are sticky, I need to clean them. Okay, now this is also the same kind of deal. You're gonna wanna find the edge of it. Okay, I've already peeled one of the edges. And then you're gonna pull this off. And you'll notice this one isn't sticky, so you can put that over there. This one is sticky. So I'm going to put it on just like I would a regular mask. I usually start on one side and just apply it like this. Okay, and then you're going to take your squeegee. Okay, so now I have my squeegee. I'm not super high tech or anything. I just really like this squeegee. I got it with a phone cover, and I use this. So I'm gonna squeegee it really nicely. Okay, just like you would a regular decal. And now I'm going to slowly make sure that it is applied to my sticky mask and off of the liner. And there you go. Okay, so now you are ready to apply this to your fabric. And I've chosen a lime green t-shirt because it's gonna go great with the cute pink yellow. And you're gonna apply it. And there you go. You are ready to put it on your heat press or use an iron. A heat press is recommended, but you are more than welcome to use an iron if you'd like. Big important thing to remember, this is plastic. You have to have something in between this sheet and your iron or your heat press. Otherwise, you're gonna have a big nasty mess. So the best thing to use is a Teflon sheet. If you don't have Teflon, then a thin t-shirt will work. You may have to press a little longer if you use a thin t-shirt, but it definitely will work. I have done that before in a pinch. So, guys, that is about it. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can give me, you can send me a message on Etsy. It's really the fastest way to get in touch with me. I'm literally connected to Etsy all the time. So send me a convo to ask any questions. Leave comments below. Let me know what you think about this video. I hope it's helpful. We are transitioning into a new name and we're really excited about it. It's gonna be SparkleBerry Ink, like I-N-K. And once that happens, you'll still be able to find us if you are an existing customer of SparkleBerry swag. You'll still be able to find us under that name, so don't worry. But I'm going to leave the link to my shop below that you can just click on that, and no matter what our name is, it'll take you to our shops page. So again, thank you guys. Oh, and don't forget, please upload pictures of your beautiful projects that you make with the HTV. I can't wait to see them. I absolutely love this product. I'm so excited to offer it to you guys. I want to know what you think, so let me know. And like I said, I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if I missed anything, and hope to hear from you soon. Bye.